Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up on DeepSeek AI for free without any code. So nowadays, a lot of people are facing this type of problem that they are not able to sign up on DeepSeek AI and sometimes they are not getting the verification code. So no worries, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can exactly create your account on DeepSeek AI for free. Now, first of all, you will have to open your Google Play Store or App Store and search for deepseek.com. Now, once you are on DeepSeek, you will have to click on the Start Now option. After clicking on Start Now, it will redirect you on this page where you can basically log in into your account. But since you want to sign up, you can click on the sign up option and you can fill out these details. But before that, you need to make sure that you connect yourself with a VPN. So a VPN is something that can help you in creating your account on DeepSeek AI, and after that you can definitely use it for free. So you can use the best VPN. I will also put the link of the best deal down in the description, and then you just have to connect to the server. After that, instead of just putting your email address and password here, you will have to come back on the login page and you just have to directly log in with your account. As you can see there, it has redirected me on the login page where you will have to just click on your email address, and there you go, you have successfully created your account on DeepSeek AI. Now you can just interact with it and you can provide your prompts very easily. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.